All right, Andrew, what's our goal today?
Get clothes.
Go to where?
Car.
We're going to the car wash, and we're going to make it our goal to go through 2 times and to have a really good enjoyment time.
Okay.
Sound good?
Very good.
Our goal is for you, this guy, right?
Okay.
Okay. Pinched ya. Oh! Okay. Hey, we got it, guys. We're here with goal 22. Our goal is Andrew is going to vacuum out the car for us. Our objectives for this goal to know we'll have completed it will be: number 1, arrive at the car wash. Number 2, get out and vacuum with the vacuum thinger. And what's number 3?
Music.
We listen to music when we're done. Deal? Let's do this.
Please do it. Hold on a second. Open. Hopefully start. Yeah. Oh, he's coming.
Okay, good.
Oh, he's coming.
What is this?
Baby Boy.
Baby Boy by Christian Music. Mary, did you know? Mary, did you know that your baby boy will one day walk on water? Did you know that you... Oh, new song? Song request, what is it?
This one.
What's it gonna be? Oh.
It's stuck.
Oh, good job.
Is he open?
Well, guys, we're here at the vacuums. That's step 1, right? Let's take this parking spot here to check out the vacuums. That's our second job.
You're gonna go straight.
Oh dear. Come here. Come help. Oh. Hey. Oh, thank you. Very helpful. Bro, there's some stuff to vacuum back here. You ready to... What are you doing? Oh. Hello? Thank you.
Open wipers.
I'm gonna get the wipers. Let's go do a little vacuuming. That's our second step of the goal. Here we go.
Open.
Let's work on it. Oh, the wipers are really going. Wow, thank you. I guess that's step 1.5 is clean the windshield first.
Hang on.
Can you get me out, please? Thank you, sir. All right, let's do this. Come on out. Come grab the vacuum. All right. It's cold out here, bro. Freezing my buns off. Okay, music is our third step. Ah! Hey! Hey! Okay, let's do this. Yeah, it'll work. Get all that gravel out of there. We don't want that. Nice. Got the music going in here. That's our third step. Are we all done? High five.
There you go.
Okay, nice job, buddy. Shout out to Bros on the Go. It's cold out here, you guys. Ah! Oh my word. It's so cold. Okay, third step was music. Let's put some music on. We just had it on.
Sorry.
Hold on. First music, then we'll go. Or do you want to put music on during the car wash?
Yeah, we'll go.
Okay, we'll go to the car wash. Here we go.
Start.
All right, we're in the car wash. Time to jam out. Put the music on. Ah! Check it out. It's like a volcano. Okay, final step with the music. What are we gonna do with the music, bud?
One more time. Oops.
Music goes
Go.
on, and we have a party.
Let's go. Chicken and cheeses.
Andrew, you did. You want to go Chuck E. Cheese's for your reward? Maybe next time. Thanks for watching, you guys.